really wish when you're recording you can see the playback. So they definitely need to fix that. How's this little angle? Pretty cool. No, nothing fancy, just like vanilla and coffee cold brew. Yeah, nothing crazy. Key lime though, that sounds interesting. Okay, do we have hot sauce? No. Okay, we should definitely get hot sauce. This local hive looks like a cool... You have? Yeah. Local hive, should I get sriracha, mango habanero, or original hot sauce? Maybe a mango habanero? All right, we'll try it.
Or sriracha.
Which one? What do you guys think?
Sriracha.
Mango or sriracha? Sriracha? Yeah. We'll try sriracha and then we'll come back for mango habanero maybe one day. Definitely gotta get the Leisure. We've got the Osmo Action 5 hooked up to the small rig magic arm and a small rig ball head mount with the Ulanzi magnetic mount. And we've got the DJI Nano hooked up to the lanyard. Small rig. Half cage for the win. Okay, we're back to regular scheduled lensening. We're off the fisheye right now. I've got the Nano right here. You can see the red light, it's going, and it's probably recording this as well. This is gonna be a lot of back and forth. I don't know if I wanna do all that editing, but we've got the half cage right here. You can see I'm looking right at you. Isn't that cool? If you guys like this half cage, go and get it. Okay, let's blow this popsicle stand. We shot on the DJI Nano right here on my chest, and then we've got the Action 5 Pro right now in the hand. So both of them shooting at 4K, 24 frames per second, ISO 100 to 800 or 100 to 1600, and shutter 100 to 8000. Right now I'm on the boost lens with it activated ultra wide. The Nano still recording right now in the car, so you can see this point of view. I've been running this Nano pretty much non-stop. The Nano itself is about 27% right now, and 73 for the dock. I'm running both of these at negative 1.0 exposure value, so we shall see how that turns out, but pretty much full auto for everything. It's been a while since I did a magic arm vlog in the grocery store. I think the last time we did it, we were at Mariano's. I was really excited to use the magic arm in the grocery store because of all the different angles you can get. The Nano, I pretty much just let it ride on full auto on the lanyard mount, so I didn't really need to do too much maneuvering this. I wanted to put the Action 5 Pro to use, show it some love, since I've been giving this little guy a lot of love lately. But I think this is another perfect example of how you can use them together. So I pretty much put this on the lanyard mount the whole time, and then with the Action 5 Pro I left it on the magic arm with this ball head, and I was able to just move around my angles. So whether I was on the bottom of the shopping cart or at the top, I even played a little bit with the fisheye because I've got the boost lens on. I actually activated it, so that's what we're on right now, so it's hopefully got a little bit of a wider angle that you can see. So lots of versatility in all these tools, all these cameras, and I think this is a beautiful way for you to kind of make the world your sandbox when you're filming with them. So that's all I wanted to say. Just wanted to take these two out for a ride while I get driven around, and yeah, that's it. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy holidays. This thing is pretty heavy in the hand with this whole ball mount and everything, so yeah, I'll show you guys right here. This is pretty much what the magic arm looks like with this ball head and the Peak Design little slide off mount. So this is what we're working with. Alrighty. That's it. Very chill, very quick. DJI Nano, Action 5 Pro. Gotta go. Stay human.